Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice 25.2 on Rocky Linux 10.0. Okay, but the process is same on all Rocky Linux versions. First verify whether we have any Office suite comes with Rocky Linux. See, you don't have anything, so download and install. Open any web browser, then go to LibreOffice official website, that is LibreOffice.org. Then click on download. Then click on download LibreOffice. See here, the latest release is 25.2. For Rocky Linux, we have to select this RPM package. Select it and click on download. See, download started and its size is 229 megabytes. Wait until download comes. And see here, it is zip file. We have to unzip this one, then we will install it on Rocky Linux. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls, see here we have the zip file. We have to unzip this one. tar-accept. Give Libre. Give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls. Go to this extracted folder. ls. Go to this RPMs again. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. So we have to install all these packages. Sudo rpm -ivh star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications again. See here we have the LibreOffice applications. See here, base means like MS Office, Access, Calc means it is like MS Office, Excel, Writer means it is like MS Office, Word. Okay, so open this Calc application. See, we got the Calc application. If you want to verify the version, go to help, then about LibreOffice. See here we have installed 25.2. Okay, so we have successfully installed. See, these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed. Remove them. rm libre. Remove this directory also. rm. We have ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice 25.2 on Rocky Linux 10.0. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.